Let's see how we can use the convert function in Google Sheets. We have the Google Sheet convert function open and it has the data we require. The first table has area in meter square, price in dollars per square feet. We need to find the total price in dollars. Since the area is in meter square but the price is in dollars per square feet, we first need to convert the area in meter square to area in square feet. For this, we will use the convert function, which gives the unit conversion for numbers. It takes value, start unit and end unit as arguments. An example is shown, where 5.1 grams is converted to kilograms. If we click on Learn More, we will see the notes. The following list outlines the available unit conversions by category. We can do unit conversions for weight, distance, time, pressure, force, energy, power, magnetism, temperature, volume, area, information, speed. For our case we want to convert meter square to square feet. Value is B2. Let's lock the B column. Start unit is in quotes m to the power 2. End unit is in quotes FD to the power 2. Let's autofill the data. We got the area in meter square converted to square feet. Since we need to calculate the total price, need to multiply this area in square feet and price per square feet. So, after the convert function we will write *C2. Let's drag the formula to the required range. We get the total price. In the next table, we have the temperature in degrees Celsius and we need the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit and temperature in Kelvin. Again for this, we will use the convert function. Value will be B9. Let's lock the column B. Start unit is in quotes C and end unit is in quotes F. Let's autofill the data. We get the temperature converted from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. Let's drag the formula from C9 to D9 and just change end unit from F to K. Let's autofill the data. We get the temperature converted from degrees Celsius to Kelvin. In the next table, we have time in minutes and we need time in seconds and time in hours. Let's use the convert function. Value for this case is B16. Let's lock the B column. Start unit is in quotes min, end unit is in quotes second. Let's autofill the data. We get the time converted from minutes to seconds. Let's drag the formula from C16 to D16 and just change end unit from second to hour. Let's autofill the data. we get the time converted from minutes to hours. In the next table, we have data in bits and we need data in bytes. Again, for this, we will use the convert function. Value will be G2. Start unit is in quotes bit and end unit is in quotes byte. Let's autofill the data. We get the data converted from bits to bytes. In the next table, we have weight in grams and we need weight in kilograms. Again, for this, we will use the convert function. Value will be G6. Start unit is in quotes G and end unit is in quotes kg. Let's autofill the data. We get the data converted from grams to kilograms. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the convert function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.